How is grafting done? Grafting is a process in which the tissues or the cells of one plant are fused into the another plant so that they both may be joined together to form vascular joining. This is known as inosculation. One of the plants is chosen for its roots and this is called the stalk. The other is chosen for its flowers, stems, fruits and leaves. This is called the scion. The scion has the genes which are desired in the grafting plants. Grafting can be done by a number of methods like budding, cleft, approach, whip, stub, etc. For grafting to take place successfully, the scion and stalk vascular tissue must come into contact for sufficient amount of time and the joint needs to be very firm until the whole grafting takes place, as the grafted area is quite weak as compared to other areas on plants. It usually takes a time of a few weeks to perform grafting. How does the kidney fail? The kidney is one of the most essential parts of the body which filters blood and helps get rid of waste products. This bean-shaped body part also helps balance electrolyte level, controlling the blood pressure and in stimulation of production of red blood cells. It mainly fails because of diabetes, high blood pressure, etc. and gives symptoms of tiredness, weakness, appetite loss. It can also lead to diseases like anemia, heart disease, renal bone disease. Actually, nephrons are attacked by kidney diseases and so they fail in filtering the waste from blood. Nephrons can also be damaged by poisoning or injury. Hereditary factors are also responsible. Even the nephrons of a child in womb can also be damaged and the normal functioning of the kidney can be affected. As a result of genetic disorder too, cysts grow in the kidney and replace its mass and later affect its functioning too and cause its failure. How does the liver help in the human body? The liver is the main organ of the body because it supports or helps other organs of the body to work properly. Its location is at the bottom of the body and also for its multidimensional function that occurs in the body of the human being. Many diseases occur by the liver like swelling in the abdomen, feet, etc. because of the liver as it fails to make the albumin which is helpful for the body of the human being. The diseases which occur in the liver function can be caused due to the arrangement or the processes of the liver. Sometimes liver can be damaged and sometimes it has to be transplanted from one body to another body. The first transplantation was done by the doctor of the United States named as Thomas Charles and the another doctor of Cambridge of England named as Roy Calne in the years 1963 and 1965 respectively. How is LPG formed? LPG is used in almost all homes as a fuel in heating appliances and also used in vehicles as autogas, sometimes as refrigerant and aerosol propellant used too. LPG means liquefied petroleum gas or simply propane. It is called LPG because it remains liquid under moderate pressure and quickly vaporizes upon the release of pressure. At normal temperature and pressure, it can evaporate, and it is the reason why it is stored in steel tanks. Such steel tanks are filled with LPG, only 80 to 85%, and as it is heavier than air, so on the leakage of LPG from cylinder flows along floors and settles down in low spots, which causes suffocation and ignition too. It is produced during the refining of crude oil or is extracted when natural gas methane gets extracted. It is dried and only after that being piped to homes and industry.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.